Christmas came early today and I'm so excited about this unboxing. Listen, I am partnering with Brother Sew on this sewing machine. Woo! This is the SE600. Let me bring you guys closer so you can actually see. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited! Okay, so let's put you guys over here. Okay, so I'm going to be unboxing Brother Sew's SE600 computerized sewing embroidery machine. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. You know when you're a little kid, you're like, oh my gosh, the box is here. You're like, oh my god, looking at the boxes, reading all the little details about the item. I can't wait to open this up. So let's get into the unboxing. I'm so excited. I cannot believe how excited I am about a sewing machine. Listen, everything excites me. Okay, so let's go and unbox this. Okay, so right now the top of the box has a bunch of goodies. This little, it's like some tools. Oh, okay. Something to clean the machine. Oh, we got needles in here, double needle. Ooh, a double needle, okay. So they got a lot of stuff going on. Okay, so this is the little package. Okay, so this is the plug for it to be plugged in. Okay, what is this? Ooh, these are foot pressers. This one looks like the buttonhole one. Oh, I don't know what this one is. This looks like, oh, a walking foot pedal. Oh, foot presser. Ooh, okay. Let's see. Oh, I don't know what this one is. So I hope they have a booklet in here that explains each foot presser. Bobbins, okay. Already have its thread inside. Oh, a whole bunch of more. Let me see. Let me take these out. So these are all the foot pressers that came in the package. Okay, so we'll take a look at that in a little bit. All right, a dust bag, I think. Ooh, maybe this is for the embroidery plate. Okay, okay, the foot pedal. Now, let's take this guy out. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Okay, and now Jinxie is curious about what's the fuss all about. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, this is so pretty. Wow. This is beautiful. And then here's the booklet, the pamphlet right here. And then this is the part where you can use this for the embroidery part. I'm thinking it goes right here. Oh, this is the side edition. Okay, so let me put that to the side. Let me move these boxes. I'm trying not to read the manual, but it's like I may have to look at it. Let me take off all these plates. Ready to work, Jinxie? Okay, so this is basically the whole setup so far, and you just turn it on. This is so beautiful. So I'm gonna go through the manual to take a look at how everything functions. Right now I see that all you have to do is just pull this part and take it out, just like that. And this has like a little compartment where you can put all your miscellaneous things in here. Seam ripper, bobbins, needles and threads and stuff like that can go into this little storage. And then what you can do is when you're ready to use the embroidery, you can just put it right in here. Carefully place it, and then there it goes. It looks like it resets the whole thing when they know that this is plugged in. And then once you want to remove this, all you have to do, there's a latch underneath here that you pull back and it comes apart. This is really beautiful. So right now I'm currently making myself a pair of sequin pants, my signature sequin pants, because I think I want to do something for the New Year's. So what I want to explain to you about how to really thread this. Okay, so here's the top of the machine. As you can see, this is the place for you to do the bobbin right here. This is the spool, and what you do is you just basically take the spool like this, place it in here, and then you have this cap to secure it. Like that. And then you're going to go ahead and thread it through by following the directions here. So one, it passes through here, then it goes through this area right here. So it has to go underneath and around. And then if you're ready to do the spool, your bobbin, you can bring that thread right over here and thread the bobbin right here. Or instead of you doing that, you can just take the thread down all the way to the bottom of here, bring it back up, and then thread it through the loop, the metal loop. I don't know if you can see that, like that. Then you bring it down here, and then right now I'm working on a zigzag stitch, so it's currently inside, but you can see that it threads right here, and then you just thread it front to back at the needle. Now with this guy, this color button here has several colors where it tells you that it's okay to sew. When it's not okay to sew, it's red. Right now it's on green. It may be reading yellow on the screen, and this is allowing me to say that I can ready to sew. Right here I just come on the LCD screen, the touch screen, and then just decide which desired stitch that I want. So all I have to do is select the desired stitch that I want here, and then you can use this to go through the stitches, like the zigzag stitch. I can select this one, it'll go on that. If I want to make the stitch very wider, I can hit here and then decide how wide I want my stitch to be. This is 3.5, so if I want to go a wider zigzag stitch, I just hit this number and it'll show me, it will tell me how wide it will be. And then I can also decide how far apart I want this zigzag to be, and I also punch this as well to change that. Let me go back here. It's all programmed right there, and it's ready to stitch down here like that so far. Now if I want to go back to the original one, I just have to just go back, whoops, hit this one, and it's programmed right here. Once again, you can choose from here and decide how long, how wide, well not really wide, but how long apart you want your stitches to be, and then you hit the back button right there. Bam. What I like about this machine, once you put the presser foot up, the button is red. That means it's not going to sew. So if you accidentally step on the foot pedal, it won't start sewing. Now when you put the presser foot down, it turns into green, as you see right here. That means it's ready to go. I hit the reverse button. start stitching.
Yes, that's what I'm talking about.
So now I'm going to go ahead and try this embroidery. I've never embroidered anything before, so this is going to be exciting to try this out on this machine. So now I'm going to go ahead and pop this right in. So I'm going to use this muslin as a tester, and I'm going to put it in here. Just separate it like this. Place that right in there. Whichever area you're going to embroider. And then push it right inside like this. And then down here is to squeeze it to tighten it up so it won't move. So now we're going to take our plate and these screws on the side here to place them right in here. Match them up into these spots right here. So I'm going to place this under my walking presser foot like that. And then just match up on the side here. You can squeeze that in here like that. And then it's ready. So we're going to do something with less thread required because I don't have a lot of thread in there. So let's do this heart. Set. Once you hit the green button, it goes and starts stitching. This is the heart shape right there. But I'm going to go ahead and do my initial in the heart or over the heart. So let's see what that looks like. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the screen again. Okay, we end that. I'm going to hit the cursive one right here because I like that. And then hit D because you know it's me, Daniela. And then we're going to hit the set button and embroidery button right there. And then I'll hit the green. Oop, it's going. Okay guys, so it stopped. And I'm going to go ahead and remove this so you can see what it did. Oh my gosh, look at this. My initial within a heart. Woo! That is so cute. Can you imagine if I had changed the thread colors? I could put like a metallic thread and then also do a different color for the heart, like a red thread. That would be so super cute. So it's like within the design itself. That I'm loving this already. Yes, yes. I can't wait to start experimenting and getting creative. Okay, yes, that's what I'm talking about. Let's take my craft to the next level. Stepping into 2020 all bougie and all. Okay, let me tell you. This is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I will leave all the information about the sewing machine down in the description box as well in the comment section. So I'm going to be off starting my 2020 all bougie and all. Because I mean, who gonna tell me something? Because I'm going to be stepping it like boom, bam, pipe, yow. Okay.